There are numerous items accessible to car tire covers, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best car tire covers from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Explore Land Tire Covers 4-Pack. Refer to our fitting guide picture for size selection. Set of 4 covers fits entire tire diameter up to 23-25.75. It's not the rim size. It's a perfect all-season cover, 4 covers in one set. Protects tires and wheels from sun damage, rust and dirt when your vehicle is parked. And the tire cover is easy to clean, wipe only with clean water. Ideal for use on Jeep, car and truck, SUV, trailer, camper, motorhome and RV, or anything with the correct tire size. Durable water-resistant coating with UV-stabilized treatment, long-lasting and tough enough as a tire cover. Bonded with soft, non-scratch backing. Elastic cord with auto-lock design easily makes a snug-fitting installation within seconds. Our design has remarkably raised the wind resistance capacity, and we don't need ties or holes anymore to stay in high wind. 3-year warranty. Number 2. And for set of 4 tire covers, waterproof. Convenient, easy to install, remove and clean. No tools required. Thick aluminum waterproof material, thick cotton wool lining. Durable. Hook design is not easy to be blown away by the wind, ensures more secure fit. Ideal for use on RV, trailers, campers, cars and trucks. Fits 27 to 29 tire diameters. Protect the tires and wheels from sun damage, dirt, rust, corrosion and all types of weather when your vehicle is parked. This tire cover is made of waterproof aluminum material, thick cotton wool lining, durable. It is easy to install, remove and clean. No tools required. Folds up compact for easy storage. Fast and easy slip-on design. Use the tire cover daily. Pay attention to protect the tire to prevent the tire from cracking naturally and protect the driving safety. Number 3. Cargo Seasonal Tire Totes. Tire totes keep your winter tires protected and organized when not in use. Wheel bags protect your clothing and car interior from grime. Tire bags reduce the mess of tire change. Includes handle for easy transportation. Tire bag is made from durable materials to protect tires from the elements. Perfect seasonal tire cover or spare tire cover. Easily stack for storage. 4 cargo tire totes are included. Recommended combining tire totes with cargo wheel felts to protect wheel rims for full coverage. Tire protectors fit tires 22-31 in diameter. For more information on how to properly measure your tire, please see the product description below. Number 4. Tire Storage Cover Tire Storage Bag. Duty weather resistant, made of durable Oxford polyester fabric with silver coating, water repellent processed, repels rain, resists tears and cold cracking, durable and lasts longer, gives your tires all year round protection against sun, rain, snow, wind, dust and dirt. 35, height 45. Holds 435 wide tires. Be sure to measure your tires first to determine the correct cover size. Design with zipper allows for quick and easy installation over stacked tires. Drawstring base easily cinches around tires to keep cover secure. Made of 420D durable Oxford polyester fabric with silver coating. Number 5. Sofu Spare Tire Cover PVC Leather Waterproof. Waterproof, strong wearability, wipe clean vinyl with soft, non-scratch backing. Helps guard against sun, rain, mud, and other elements, and strongly improves your vehicle appearance. Our spare tire cover are made of high-quality PVC leather material, thickest material in the market, with non-scratch soft backing. Elasticized, breathable and durable material, maintains the shape in any temperature. Our spare tire cover are easy to install and remove and no tools required. Elasticized back hem with quick connect clips for a fast and adjustable fit. Fits hole diameter 60 to 69 centimeters. Tire sizes are listed on below detailed description, so customers can determine size without measuring tires. No matter what car models, especially fit for Honda CR-V, Jeep Wrangler, campers, Toyota CR-V RAV4, Suzuki, Ford and trucks. Comes with 24 HRS online friendly service and quick response. If you have any issues with your order, please contact us directly. We'll respond within 12 hours to make it right. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.